In this video, we will demonstrate some solutions you can try at home for common S540 error codes, as well as a frozen coin count. First, we're going to start by checking if any foreign objects or coins have entered the back panel, which would stop the machine from operating. It's important to clear out any clogs or unaccepted coins from this area before continuing. Most error codes appear when counting or running sensors become blocked with dust, dirt, or normal wear and tear. To clean the sensors, you have to first remove the 3 housing screws on the back and sides of the unit. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the housing to reveal all the sensors. Each coin counting opening has a corresponding sensor, and it's important to keep all sensors cleared of dust and dirt. You can use a cleaning swab or air duster to remove unwanted debris. Once the sensors have been cleared, you can continue to use your S540 machine. Our customer service help is available to assist you if you have any further problems.